In Zen philosophy, overcoming laziness involves a holistic approach that addresses both the mind and body. Let's start with a small story of a lazy girl, and then we will learn 3 unique ways to overcome laziness. In the serene village of Sakura Grove, nestled between blooming cherry blossoms, lived a spirited young girl named Chiyo. Known for her boundless energy and artistic flair, Chiyo harbored a hidden struggle with laziness that cast a shadow on her vibrant potential. The villagers, recognizing the untapped creativity within her, watched with a mix of concern and hope. One day, a mysterious wanderer named Zenko arrived in Sakura Grove. Whispers of his wisdom reached Chiyo's ears, and she found herself drawn to the wise sage beneath the shade of a blossoming cherry tree. Intrigued by tales of Chiyo's latent talents, Zenko approached her with a warm smile and began weaving enchanting stories of a hidden realm within the village. Zenko spoke of a secret garden, a place where the energies of the universe converged to reveal profound insights. To Chiyo's delight, he handed her an ornate key adorned with symbols that seemed to dance in the dappled sunlight. The key to the secret garden, Zenko explained, holds the power to unlock your dormant potential. But remember, Chiyo, the journey is an internal one. Laziness, like a fleeting shadow, must be confronted within the depths of your being. Excitement mingled with trepidation as Chiyo clutched the key. With Zenko as her guide, she embarked on a transformative expedition into the hidden garden, the entrance obscured by vines and thorns mirroring the barriers laziness had erected within her mind. Each step revealed a reflection of her inner struggles manifested in the garden's landscape: pools of procrastination, thickets of self-doubt, and meadows of missed opportunities. Yet, with the key in hand, Chiyo navigated through these challenges, unraveling the tendrils of laziness that had bound her for so long. At the heart of the garden stood a magnificent tree, its branches stretching toward the heavens. Zenko awaited Chiyo's arrival beneath its shade. The key shimmered as she approached, resonating with the newfound strength within her. "The garden mirrors your inner landscape," Zenko explained. "To conquer laziness, you must confront the shadows within. The key is a metaphor for your will to unlock your true potential." Absorbing Zenko's teachings, Chiyo realized that the secret to overcoming laziness lay not in external fixes but in profound internal transformation. As she emerged from the garden, her spirit radiant with purpose, word of Chiyo's metamorphosis spread throughout Sakura Grove. The once lazy girl had unlocked her potential not through force but through a journey of self-discovery. Chiyo, now a beacon of motivation, shared her tale with others, echoing the universal truth that to conquer laziness, one must embark on an internal odyssey, unlocking the dormant brilliance within. Zenko, satisfied with the transformation he had catalyzed, continued his wanderings, leaving behind a village touched by the profound wisdom of the secret garden, and Chiyo, a living testament to the power of self-discovery. From this story, there are 3 ways to overcome laziness inspired by Zen wisdom. Practice Zazen. Start incorporating regular meditation into your routine. Zazen, characterized by sitting in a comfortable yet alert posture, helps cultivate mindfulness. By observing your thoughts without attachment, you become aware of the mental patterns that contribute to laziness. Laziness often arises from dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Zen encourages focusing on the present moment. Engage fully in each task, whether it's work, chores, or leisure. By being present, you reduce the mental resistance to starting or completing a task. Cultivate inner discipline. Embrace the concept of mu means nothingness. In Zen, the concept of mu signifies a state of emptiness and openness. Apply this to your mindset about tasks. Instead of burdening yourself with expectations or judgments, approach tasks with a sense of openness. This attitude reduces the mental barriers that contribute to laziness. Engage in samu, which means mindful work. Approach your responsibilities with the mindset of samu, mindful work. Whether it's washing dishes, typing an email, or engaging in any activity, immerse yourself fully. By bringing mindfulness to each task, you eliminate the mental resistance that often accompanies laziness. Balance and harmony. Laziness can result from an imbalance in your life. In Zen philosophy, yin and yang represent the balance of opposing forces. Ensure a harmonious balance between activity and rest. Recognize the importance of rest, but be wary of excessive idleness. Zen emphasizes the connection between the mind and body. Physical activity, whether through walking, yoga, or other exercises, helps energize the body and mind. Regular movement breaks the cycle of lethargy associated with laziness. Remember, overcoming laziness is a gradual process that involves self-awareness and a commitment to mindful living. By integrating these Zen-inspired practices into your daily life, you can cultivate a mindset that fosters productivity and a balanced approach to tasks